Welcome to CONEXPO 2023. My name is David Hester and I work with Manitou, and I'm the product support specialist and trainer for the MEWPs. Here at the booth with the Manitou ATJ 46E. We also do the 46E Plus, all electric. We also offer on this machine self-charging system to come with it. It's accessory. You don't have to have it, it's an option. You can charge with 210 or we can charge with a 380 because the charger is a 380 volt. Our battery packs are easy access to check the water in them. When we water this machine, when you add water to your batteries, you can use one tool and you can add the same amount of water to every cell. It doesn't have to have each cell removed, so you can add the water in there. Generators go through a charger here, so they won't overcharge. It's a smart charging system. We use axles instead of drive motors. Our axles are the same that you would find in a heavy-duty telehandler, and they're pretty much bulletproof. They're easy to work on and less hydraulic leaks. All of our units are self-diagnostic. The onboard diagnostic system has no tools needed. This system is completely controllable from the dash. It's completely troubleshooting is all done on board. This is a 46E, so you got a 500-pound capacity, and really this dash is laid out. All of our dashes come with this cover. Keeps the water out where you're traveling or not using it. Come and check out our MEWPs. We're here at booth number F9313, and we'll be here till Saturday at 12 o'clock.